Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dea Rahmawati and today I will tell you guys what is definition of translation tool. According to Larson, 1984, translation is done by going form to form of the first language to the form of a second language by way of semantic structure. When a translator makes a translation, it means that he or she transfers meaning of source text, which is necessarily to consider is that the meaning must be maintained constantly, or in other words, when the change of form occurs, the meaning must be maintained. It is the characteristic of a language that the same meaning compound will occur in several surface structure legible item or forms. And do you guys know what is translation software? Translation software include tools, features, and resources used to simplify the entire translation process to quickly deliver high-quality translation. The best translation software holistically centralizes project management, content delivery, data analysis, and reporting, and of course, translation itself.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Maulida Gemala Anggraeni, and now I will tell you about kind of translation tool. Here we explain that there are 16 types of translator tools, including 1. Lingui, a court favorite. This unique translation tool combines a dictionary with a search engine, so you can search for bilingual text, word and expression in different languages to check meanings and contextual translation. 2. SDL Trader Studio, the most recommended computer assistant translation or CAT tools by Gengo Words. SDL Trados is a wise investment for full-time translator. This software features TM, terminology, machine translation, and software location. 3. The free dictionary. Available in a wide variety of languages, this comprehensive site is a dictionary, thesaurus, and encyclopedia in one. 4. Fluency Now. Fluency Now Professional is a premium CAT tools and translation memory software created for individual freelancer. 5. Browse. If you prefer interaction and crowdsourcing, then Browse should be your go-to result. Home to the world's largest translation network, Browse is a portal for professional translators who wish to collaborate on term translation, dictionaries, training, as well as receive access to discounts on translation tools. Translator can ask questions and join forum discussion too. 6. MemoQ, a translation software designed for freelance translation. MemoQ offers a number of powerful functions that enable to reuse previous translation. It also has features to help improve quality, check consistency, and ensure the use of correct terminology. 7. MemSource, a TM database integrated with Gengo to improve efficiency. MemSource is a cloud-based translation environment that provides effective and efficient project management. 8. Translation Cafe, an online community and forum where you can ask questions and advice from experienced translators. Registration is free for both professional and amateur translator, and members of Translator Cafe and bid and acquire jobs at no extra cost. 9. Zanata, a web-based system for translator, content creator, and developers to manage localization project. Zanata handles the entire translation workflow and allow translators to focus on translation, not tools and format. Each TM also find and suggests the best translation match in the entire system. 10. WordFast Pro. WordFast Pro is a standalone multi-platform TM tool designed to improve the translation process for anyone from project managers to freelance translators. 11. SmartCat, a collaborative cat tool. SmartCat streamlines the translation products by allowing the translator, editor, and the contributor to work and collaborate in real time. This cloud-based software leverages the concept on translation memories or TM and allows translators to create glossaries for consistent translation. 12. Magic Search for quicker terminology search. Magic Search is a multilingual search engine that provides one-page search result of multiple dictionaries and other search for different language pairs. 13. Interactive Terminology for Europe, launched in 1999. IT, which stands for Interactive Terminology for Europe, is the European Union's inter-institutional terminology database. This useful resource ensures the consistency and quality of all EU-related written communication. 14. Microsoft Language Portal, for translators specializing in IT and software. The Microsoft Language Portal lets users search translation of key Microsoft terms and general IT terminology. 15. Omega T, a free translation memory tool. Omega T is an open source software that allows translators to work more efficiently through fuzzy matching, computer assisted translation, and automatic match propagation. The last 16. Website word count. This is a free online tool that you can use to calculate repetition and new words on the website, which are built on WordPress platform.
Okay, next is number 9, Zanata, a web-based system for translator, content creator, and developer to manage localization project. Zanata handles the entire translation workflow and allows translator to focus on translation, not tools and format. Its TM also finds and suggests the best translation match in the entire system. Zanata Editor works on any web with no installation necessarily. Multiply translation can also work on the editor with a chat room for a real-time communication. 10. WordPass Pro. WordPass Pro is a standalone, multi-platform TM tool designed to improve the translation process for anyone from project manager to freelance translator. Unlike other CAT tools, Translator can improve and export TM even with a demo version and can be used for an unlimited time. The only limitation is the size of the translation memory. It is 500 units. 11. Smart CAT. A collaborative CAT tools, Smart CAT streamline and translation process by allowing the translator, editor, and another contributor to work and collaborate in real time. This code-based software leverages the concept of the translation memory or TM and allow translator to create glorious and consistent translation. 12. Magic Search. For a quicker terminology search, Magic Search is multilingual search engine that provide one-page search result of multiple dictionaries and other search from different language pair. It searches multiple searches such as word reference, theos, ieta, eudect, and more. User may also install a Google Chrome extension in their browser and customize the list of dictionary and search they like to search. And 13. EITE or Interactive Terminology for Europe. Launched in 1999, EIT, which stands for Interactive Terminology for Europe, is the European Union's interinstitutional terminology database. These useful resources ensure the consistency and quality of all EU-related written communication. Users can rate the reliability of the terms, which are fed into the database by EU terminologists and translators. 14. Microsoft Language Portal for translators specializing in IT and software. The Microsoft Language Portal lets users search translation of key Microsoft terms and general IT terminology. 15. Omega T, a free translation memory tool. Omega T is an open source software that allows translators to work more efficiently through fuzzy matching or computer-assisted translation and automatic match propagation. These tools also use multiple translation memory simultaneously and allow users to process multiple file projects at the same time. And the last one, 16. Website word count. This is a free online tool that you can use to calculate repetition and new words on the website which are built on WordPress platform. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Dedy Anggara. I will explain about translation software, and then I will going to explain about chapter 3, where there are conclusion and section here. Of course, we begin first with translation software. Translation software is includes tool, filter, resources used to simplify the entire translation process to quickly deliver high-quality translations. The best translation software where holistically centralized project management, content delivery, data analysis and reporting, and of course, translations itself. They are okay. Before we going to chapter 3, I will give you the benefits of translation software. The benefits of translation software, they are measure the entire process. The second, pass content to market faster, and third, save time and money, and the fourth, produce higher quality translations. Okay, right, we're going to chapter 3. In chapter 3, there are conclusions and suggestions. Our conclusions that there are 60 types of tools translation software. Yeah, sorry, translation tools, including Lingui, SDL Traduce Studio, the free dictionary, Rensin Now, Prozzy, MemoQ, MedSource. They are translator Scav, Zanata, WordFast Pro, SmartCat. SmartCat is Smart CAT, Magic Search, IATE, interactive terminology for Europe. Okay. And next, there are Microsoft Language Portal, Omega T, website word.com. Okay. Next, CAT tools is translators have access to various terminology database. Yeah, CAT. Dictionaries and specialist encyclopedias to help with accuracy, a future that was unthinkable decades ago. Our suggestions, we hope the reader can identify its translation tool that best is used now. For large projects, we suggest that the CAT tool can ensure consistency when work on multiple translations and multiple translators working on the same document. The other hand, CAT tools have access to various terminology database, dictionaries, and specialist encyclopedia to help with accuracy, a future that was unthinkable decades ago. Okay, that's all of our explanation, our presentations. Yeah, today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rensin Now, Prozzy, MemoQ, MedSource. They are translator Scav, Zanata, WordFast Pro, SmartCat. SmartCat is Smart CAT, Magic Search, IATE, interactive terminology for Europe. Okay. And next, there are Microsoft Language Portal, Omega T, website word.com. Okay. Next, CAT tools is translators have access to various terminology database. Yeah, CAT. dictionaries and specialist encyclopedias to help with accuracy a future that was unthinkable decades ago. Decades ago. Our suggestions, we hope the reader can identify its translation tool that best is used now. For large projects, we suggest that the CAT tool can ensure consistency when work on multiple translations and multiple translators working on the same document. The other hand, CAT tools help access to various terminology database, dictionaries, and specialist encyclopedia to help with accuracy a future that was unthinkable decades ago. Okay, that's all of our explanation, our presentations here today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.